In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up two-factor authentication on your Hostinger hPanel account, which is a critical step in enhancing your online security. If you're looking to secure your account and take control over who accesses your personal information, you've tuned into the right place. First things first, you'll want to log into your Hostinger hPanel. Enter your credentials, as you always do, by inputting your email and password. If you're the type who usually just jumps directly into your account on autopilot, try to take a moment to pay attention to this crucial step. Making sure you're logging into the correct platform is an important habit to cultivate. Once you're successfully logged in, you're going to be looking for a very specific destination in your dashboard. Head over to the Security tab. It's typically situated in the main navigation section of the panel. Once you click on Security, you'll be presented with several options designed to safeguard your account. For our purpose today, we'll be focusing on two-factor authentication. This feature adds an additional layer of protection by requiring a second form of verification when you access your account. Click on it to proceed to the next window. Now you will see an option to enable 2FA. By activating this feature, you're not just ticking a box on a to-do list, you're investing in peace of mind. Click on Enable 2FA to get started with the process. Right after you click, a QR code should appear on your screen. This QR code is your ticket to a more secure account. At this juncture, you'll need an Authenticator app. If you don't already have one, Google Authenticator and Authy are both reliable choices to download on your smartphone. Open your chosen app and look for the option to either add a new account or scan a QR code. With your phone in hand, scan the QR code that's displayed on your screen. The app will then generate a unique verification code specifically for your Hostinger account. Once you've scanned the QR code and received the verification code, go ahead and enter this code in the appropriate field on your Hostinger screen to activate two-factor authentication. This unique set of numbers is your final step to complete the setup. And there you go, you've just added a robust layer of security to your Hostinger hPanel. Every time you log into your account, you'll now need to enter not just your password, but also the verification code from your Authenticator app. This dual-step verification process ensures that your account's security is not solely reliant on your password, fortifying it against potential breaches. Consider this extra step an essential part of managing your digital life, providing you with an extra shield of protection. Thank you for watching, and remember, a safer online experience is just a few clicks away.